Well, the project for today is I've got some of these mud flaps that was given to me, and I've got 3 screws here. I really don't, there's not much to this to like, it's kind of like, feels pretty soft to the touch, so I don't think that's going to hold too much. So I'd like to stay with these holes. These seem a little bit big. I'm going to have to trim them down, but it goes something like that, I think. So I think I'll put some blocks of wood down to kind of rest it on. That seems good. So I'm popping the 3 screws out. Now remember, this is strictly for entertainment purposes. I'm not recommending you do this, or not even saying it's safe or good to do this. This is just me doing this, being a fool. Okay, so I'm going to just drill through the rubber. Okay, so I'm using a number 2 Phillips bit. Fits the screws pretty good. Let's see what we're looking like. Where is it? Right there. At least the rubber's easy to drill. That'll be good. We got one more down here somewhere. Worked out pretty well. Now I'm just going to take it off, cut this. Hopefully it'll cut easy. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this cuts here. Feels pretty good. Real good. 3 slices with the razor knife. Done. I was really worried. I didn't know if it'd have steel belting in it or whatever. Okay, and this is the brand they are. Highland 24x12 heavy duty flash guards. Probably a little too heavy duty for that car, but there was really no sending them back. The only complaint I have on them, they're very easy to cut, and that's nice, but each one of these comes with their own sets of screws, and they have the bag sandwiched in there. And I've got 2 sets, but only one had screws in it. This one, like the bag was never, it never was torn open. The screws are never put in or heat sealed as far as I could see. But that's why I was using the screws that came with the cars. Well guys, that's what it looks like. That's the finished product. I think it's pretty good. I think it'll help. Until next time, we'll see you.